enye sabi enye jimi Oma wo no udi en ne wo mu no wo so oba na ni we giant wo ma wo meska jimi but un say prof kan say jimi ba na de nyansa ehia no Reverend Professor Joseph Osafor or say
Jimmy ba na de nyansa ehia no
or say Jimmy ba na de nyansa ehia no asimo kan no se to bia obi ye bibia wutedi akure wo di Jimmy na eba o say onu o say to bi kwa wo drive wo wo bi motor rider bi no o say no akoyi the way wo di Jimmy na eba ma menye di I feel people say wo drive no obi abene na menchenchen o say di obi o say yemfa Jimmy hia Jimmy ya nyansa
so Jimmy yes be we ask kwa wa
yes ba wa yere
so Jimmy
wasa ni fra pata but Jimmy dia wasa yere no enti Reverend Professor Joseph Osafor na me quote o say say Jimmy ba na wo di nyansa ehia no enti o se ni pe wo hye ni din ni action ni ne ye wo ti say Jimmy na eba no eti yedina okay no strategize eti wonim se bia ware ne nye
ye ni emre
eti wonim se be ma we wonya paka oni ama
we ya manye
eti wo strategy ne say
makika me mre so asiesini oh na akamaya samo pai akwada hu dachi anana ni aje opani twane ni anani raho mara hu sempa na minkai mintam kese na me bosui me mranti bremu mentia futu Elamina minyo Rantiani mabawa Utime Akama ya samuda Akama ya samupe Sukuri maufodi mikobi Na sukoda boni semti Mayre mi wensu yadye Oyi medi kwa iso Mayedi kaimbe dietri Ma phone na ye jami ti mamu fama di sway in ya gro mamu fama di sway in ya gro cry
I mamu fama di sway in ya gro Sompa Rhapsody irinam Sompa 106.5 FM ose ema aketuapa me mosomfo Joseph Osafor Majimadwa me machio Ghana fo nyina we nyansa ne adwenten katew train no yetena se pa na che nyansa na ebe ye adwuma
ma free me mama ye masiankwa kwa fire
meni e ba ko Sompa program yeso ase yesu ba wiase no wansa Jimmy yare na che se nyansa yesua obetumi yesua no wanhunu obi afutu obetumi abo abuye pon e de ama wo obi nyansa ne nimde ani sua hunu betumi abuye pon kase de ama wo ene wiase wo yankasa menim obua wonim. We are living in a world with information, and when you get the right information, then you are knowledgeable, and when you are knowledgeable and you apply it, then you are wise. Life must not be lived recklessly. It must be lived purposefully. Yembubra basabasa ni yembuna sini. Yembubra te said ya wonu mapetesha obu ni toto. Life must flow on purpose. It must not flow recklessly. And until you have Sompa Rhapsody program you swa. Not just a nyansa ni mdian kwani ya debreo. Eja ena abofra openyini akura. You can learn from us. You see, ignorance is not excuse. Nima when the man say we are going to be so your ignorance will not protect you from breaking the law. Ignorance is very, very costly. Try ignorance. Nima ebi nimunti Bible krasa nima mmanfo nimunti wayira. Sompa Rhapsody program ye abase ebepejawo every nima winimu edwa ko mapamabia. You must know. Now Shina yakasa about mental health. The Purple Man, Ghana Mental Health Authority, Afibia Wadeba. Mental health cry, can I say, media safe and Argentine Cateo. Arginimo, any attain Camoteo, and none of the mental health. I'm afraid here. Our for a here, a school for a here, a jar a here, Osafor a here, politicians a here, parliamentarians a here. The baby crown will come to our parliament. Argentine Cateo. One catcher say obra ye muni ye ne yebunesne life must be lived with structure and purpose. Akrabia so kan here ontie eno ane say on nabrabo eto chacha. Okokan says my time, your time is over. All right. So my time na over now what they are. Learn now. And I'm in the next 2 minutes here, Ebeya, Adiabidiama, and Memanina, and to tune in right now. I'm in the press if you say about digital mental health. Yebeka, especially about children. Emofra, yede phone ema omo osua na mamina phone dia mano. Osua na jana phone dia mano. And we are engaging our children digitally. Yedi phones, yedi computers, and yedi momo yaniamo enin komo. We metro sunsun sasu. Ansana no me say me be spending break akra na me ne emema adin komo. Maybe na ma call my kwa na me ne presla edisa digital issue no a emofra what they phones ahodo de mom no et say. When you now eka mental health people man no ho aye ye ho adwuma den. Was it men suffer in silence more often? In Ghana, suicide rates are really 10 times higher in men. ɛsene mmaa mmarima Ghana ɛgye wɔn nkwa ɛsene mmaa ɛyɛ deɛ ne ma ne ba saa ɛyɛ adeɛ bɛn ne ma ne sie ɛyɛ adeɛ bɛn ɛnyɛ berebi ɛyɛ berebia yɛdi kan pɛ sɛ mmarima nyinaa ɛnya nteaseɛ fa ho ɛyɛ deɛ fa no toxic masculinity script yɛsɛ mmarima nso ɛto a ɛtwerɛ bɛrima dan mu ɛnti mmarima bebree ɛpira wɔn su asɛm to no ara ne sɛ bɔ ne bo wɔnka ho asɛm wɔnka nkyerɛ obi ɛhwɛmu kyerɛ sɛ mmarima koraa are not likely to look for help wɔn on this machismo complex ɛyɛ wɔn sɛ wɔbɛtumi ayɛ biribiara wɔbɛ sɛ ɔnso a na n'afɛfoɔ asrɛ no sɛ mɛnsu na ɔyɛ bɛrima na gyina hɔ nomadura yɛ nwono na ɔde ne nsa si ne bo ɔsɛ yɛɛ mɛɛ ade nanso na owu ɛti saa adeɛ no a yɛyɛ mmarima wɔ Ghana ha no mmarima bi ɛbrɛ wɔpira asɛm bi ɛto wɔn wɔnhu nea ɔbɛyɛ wɔn ho toxic masculinity bɛrima bi a wotie mi anapa yi sɛ wobɛ sɛ wosu a kɔn na kɔhyɛ wo hyɛ ase na su ɔbɛ sɛ wosu a kɔhyɛ wo duvet ase na su so ɔyɛ condition si wo so na fa ntoma no ɛkata wo ho na su tietie mu na su a na hu sɛ wo kra wasu ma aka wo kra ɛdi saa de na mmarima yɛyɛ no ɛwɔ Africa ɛne Ghana ha no mmarima wɔde kasakoa ahodoɔ na yɛde gye mmarima atenka mu tew ne adwenkatenkatew no yɛgye afiri wɔn nsam and most men are breaking down but they can't talk. Na deɛ ha koraa no sɛ ebi a wɔyɛ asɔfoɔ mahyɛ bɔ sɛ asɔfoɔ deɛ neɛ mɛba bɛka ne ha the way pastors are suffering asɔfoɔ berɛ a wɔbrɛ ɛfiri sɛ wɔyɛ nsoro yɛ a wɔntumi nka nkyɛn ne yɔnko sɔfoɔ ɛfiri sɛ wɔka obey nama asɔfodeɛ mponi eti wɔntumi nka ti wɔnam saa na wate ato wɔnam saa na wate ato eti ɛmɛma wotie mi na ɛbɛma tune in right now for the next 5 minutes mene woka asɛm a ɛhia me paa na deɛ ɛyɛ korɔ ne sɛ ɔbɛma no su na ɔno a ne significant other person ne yere bɛma no su ano ɔsɛ hey kwasi w'anim yɛ hu ye sɛ w'anim yɛ fɛ saa wosu yɛ hu no do wɔnhɛ na mede akɔdaa mu nti bɛma no wagyae ɛfiri sɛ ne yere no ɛka nsɛm bi a ɛbu na bɛm ɔbaa bi wɔ hɔ a ne kunu ɛbɛhyɛ emotions pa sɛ gyae na wosu a mensoma yɛ dɛn no ɛnea mensoma yɛ dɛn mama gya deɛ woyɛ no na deɛ woyɛ no wokunkunu wɔsu a fa nsa to n'akyi bɔbɔ n'akyi bɔkɔbɔkɔ na tena ne ho na wɔnsu na hyɛ ne nkuran ɔbɔ nso su yie pa na afei bɛɛdɛ no na ɔfɛlɛ sɛ ayɛ lighter adeɛ bi hyɛ bɛrima bi ne bo ɛhyɛ n'ati kɔ wɔntumi nna ɔkɔda na ɔkɔtire na ɔbɛtire asɛm no wi no wɔntumi nka ne mma no nso ahunu sɛ daadeɛ ɛyɛ ano ɔyɛ tough daadeɛ ɔyɛ tough person daadeɛ wɔdeɛ mo musu yɛ ne saa da koro pɛ ɔbɛtia sɛ ɔdaa ne wansɔre bio ɛdeɛ na ɔde kɔɔ nna no mu asɛm na na ɛwɔ n'adwene mu ɛmɛmɛ brɛ deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu no yɛfa no provider pressure no yɛ bɛrima yɛse bɛrima na ɛkɔfa aduane ba bɛrima na ɛhwɛ fie bɛrima na ɛkɔware ɔbaa bɛrima na ɛyɛ nneɛma bi yɛwɔ se yɛyɛ nti ɔyɛ bɛrima ne yɛhyɛ no ketee fa aduane bra kɔtua school fees kɔsi dan kɔtɔ asase ɔbaa bi hɛ ne kunu mu waka kyɛ no sɛ na wodɛn na awɔ ɛdeɛ na awɔ wɔnyɛ hwee wonsi dan wontɔ asaseɛ wontɔ hwee so who are you in my life bɛrima bi ka kyerɛ me sɛ ɔbaa ne yere ka kyerɛ ne sɛ mehu nkwa na meyere ahɔ ɛfiri sɛ ɛyɛ me sɛ aware a meware wo no matɔ me nkwa na mabrabɔ atwene what a painful statement provide that pressure. Enti a chire bema ne bo. Na globally, yani eja mema mental health. And the atonche. When you say mema bere e prison esemba. Think about it. Mema bere e dia wudie esemba. E wudi na o kodi na bi ho a, wo kodi dia pesika, akọ he girlfriend, akọ he kanchima, akọ he ire, akọ he ma. There is something wrong with men. Ese kan ho asem. Enti wo bra asem otono amane e da no so provide that pressure or your offer or your son or your ba or your sorry or your mentor. One man better no. Wobe untam. Enti mama bi en no monsa ebi num wi ebi num cocaine ebi wo mo hopane ebi ye ni ma bi a ebeboa no every say they need money or your provider won no na yesi abusua no esi ne kon abusua no esi na konkon na abusua no ne pressure na eda no so enti asem bi hano a wontumi nka. Think about it. They will not go for help. They won't seek help. One cop. If you say, I understand who are they? Yanu abone book partner pair besimia to no besin nko a stimulant. Na ofele fan no ja. Why? Emema ebre. If you say, I understand okono psychologist, okono counselor, okono therapist ekodi nkomo a ebeka se some community leaders ekura ekabika ho ena bibia na ko hu counselor ena bibia munyai sa asem ne kan munyai kan na mema be se otu na mbo a monhye munkuran obi be se otu na mbo no gye hey menko ho hey man nkasa hey wonu nkasa. Why do you do this? Why are we doing this? Enti onam hosa adakrope pa noko ana mema wo pese wo gye mwa na obi agina mu a ose men kwagye mwa no to hufo wo bepirawo me ka kire wo bepirawo. Enti men don't seek help because of the stigma. The stigma say, oh, no one to me here, and I wait the 1 year there, and I wait the way there, and fatao, enti, and the obehu on the bonim, obehu on the brewim, obehu on the yarim, obehu on the money, obehu on the yendimo. Don't die yet. Something good lies ahead. Any answer number 3 son. And remember be enum and sapa and upon them and we are on them and merewanum nisio ayansa naduane ayansa ne desert ayansa achese na nija every occasion every opportunity bi obanya bia no ayansa mema numonsa ese wan sabo wo se wa koma wo se wa hrawa wo se wa merebo. They are destroying their body. If you say, "Eyana say," so on no sadia, a man a brief coping time. Be a obey me, Edia didn't die no, and yes, sir. And some I want to say, a prayer is destroying vital organs in your body. Okay, yeah, I see on the same Sunday. A year as I'm check a cray. Now, we check a cray, not just a ma, brabo. Akoye na ore fi obi sa mi twa kakra na manko ke kama dwuna kire maseba ma oseme ko high lawyer na yede eyensa mama mutie me anopai manisimo so bad eyadepa Mania a sound I do it, you know, I need men to live longer. And remember, I wouldn't tell us anymore. Now, most of the time, we won't know when you now come home. There's a pressure on them, there's a pressure to provide, there's a male script, a cultural demand. Yeah, no, and a member, no monsa, or here, member, a Jew organa ha, and no, your serious beer may prepare me a male suicide. And remember, a Jew unkasa, one what you want everyone some. na oku ho na ose wan brabo na tie one suicide say obi agene nkwa ba ko a enipa about 400 and over are affected. Think about that. And to agene nkwa from nsem no agya nkra na agumamene eso wagya on fees wagya ne die won medical bills any baby a ne nima bi oba hia nyina wagya ne nyina e de agu na yereso no okọ eti na watchi peppermint men's mental health so wukunu ema mo hwe science bi mame e bera me de sa part ye be awie hwe sa science mame ba ma oba fi a won kasa wo ye din no ote ho wono so yesa o kan ade yesa o he movie yesa o he television yesa oni obi din komo na mo wa ye din ayesa he's lost in his thoughts a sign so ukunu bre bi han e ma no mo he o mama ni we achi na he da bi ana na tonto mama me na fa me ko ha na ka me nes mama na ka me ti mama na me hia wig na me hia e de eya ma no mama ni nkom kunu ho. That's the first sign. The second sign, any bema was sorry bebre in the night. What the hanu was sorry. What the hanu was sorry. What the hanu was sorry. So one who say baby 4 times in the week as a rule of thumb. 1, 2, 3 by the 4th time. Eya sorry nachi. Na ko wash mo ko hesa o ye fire. Baby o wa. Bribi kuno ade bi kuno. Something is destroying him. Now one person will be who say, but be kununti one country. Eti the nachina ko say is everything right. Number 3. Okunu ka say ko hunu doctor ba. Obi say say dent na oko. O say o adeke to ebi. Hey, remember the rubbish serious things. One can hear me name doctor ko bon ko bi. Obwa. Bamodi ana hunu the health status of Ukunu. Money, hunu dia hano. Is that prostate? Maybe you are. So what is it when you're prostate? Now I say a death sentence. What be a catch them say, doctor catch them say when you're diabetes. Then next 2 days, no one is suicidal. What so? Maybe who say we no, about me a plebe man. And you want no more sorry coin and say, doctor, no, a man diagnosis no, and on where declare who say, I am a dead man. Now say medicine, now diabetes be come in there, any measurement. But who told you that diabetes can kill you? Yes, diabetes here. Many more are managing diabetes. And from age 60 already over 80 years. Ogusu managing. So diabetes one is managed well. Obet me abu bra, obet me adding cotente, obet me atrasi adding chiniache. Don't kill yourself. A man of Mohani, that's one night, and that's how you mammy, our Ukunu, Bema all rested, Bema all home, a back to back, or ya Juma, or Baya, or deliver. No, I saw what you from. Hey, tell your man to stop what he's doing, he will kill himself. As a son, home. The body is not a spiritual body alone, it's also a biological machine. A more than a demon, Afro Sunny, and Sionamu, and Tininamu, I'm telling you, however spiritual you can collapse. To our Osafor be a collapse whilst preaching. And then above one Jamon, because the body is also biological. As a cell body peduano home buying. No monsieur, home yama will live. Go and rest 1 year. 1 year. And an eraso piano, and I'll see yes, and I'll see as a mate, baby and number yemo, it says on ya 9 stream of income, 7 stream of income, 20 stream of income. Ha, can you? A yes, Ubenya Sika are a free me eba, but not at the expense of your health. Tell me about. You can get streams of income, but not at the extent of your health. Now one kasa one brabo, bribi ame proud. Be careful with your life and health. As you catch now say, a young nurse say, Osha unhiye pa. Wanya. Eti wanam hosa. Wan home. Wan onyabre ese mame na kakra ya mame leave. Mame home wanya. What the sound so about Obano, Utanachi, and that young cop, hey, go and go. Hey, go and go, you high, you will go. And you will go. Break and take a rest. Jesus told the disciples, let us go to the other side. Let's go to the other side and rest. Auntie Mama, yes, sir. Pariye mawukunwe papi ka che me say emano Father's Day no ya munya singlet any boxer shorts any socks any pen any briefs any tie me man some ambre ya monto adepa na sa support ane dia de ambre monto bribi ya yefe na monfa emesham nkuran na mommo woni ntwomodi nwachi momfa monko baabi no nkoje spa ye massage no want to say yes feelings abani bedue no na mema bere emema monka hu say onyame e wade pa e de mam we a special session and time for the men. Na mamenka say jumadi ya etusuye Sompa Rhapsody yede ebro el Sompa FM 106.5 ose e market ya pay inimaku ahoro mienu bi na tayachi Just Bread and Pastries wase wo mo kenke come from Just Hot Kenke we no me matru ni say kenke mu nyina King Kong chese we this kenke here ose eyede na kwan fa so ye no so kama ya fitin ye e de abura aburu pa na ye ose se opesa bread yi bi ana friend say Just Hot Kenke yi ya dokono a e free Just Bread and Pastries upebia ose 3 cedis per ball na send your mercy a package no kura no convenient very nice ose opebia tu e de akọ aye e de akọ programs e de akọ weddings bulk purchases are available from where 02560 68832 02560 68832 and wo omo ewo dome Just Bakery dome wo Ghana Commercial Bank no echi Just Bread and Pastries was it make your kenke experience easier, healthier and more profitable with Just Hot Kenke. Forson cavity fighter nabo aba we no every Unilever. We say among the Forson cavity fighter toothpaste no and the abeg so esia aye rainbow color. Say the ebeye high say the Yankopon can say enya high na ye high or say abo wias no na asase ye sakasaka ni hunu na esum wo bunani no Yankopon can say enya high na ye high we the Yankopon na mo eye Unilever Forson cavity fighter toothpaste say enya high na ye high e dey no worry about what the toothpaste bia what the chuchu sia endrondro agwom pro fluoride and micro calcium ingredients we no able for 10 the person say enrua e boss ho ban e wo Forson cavity fighter toothpaste emo na what they can say e ma wose no e hye dadia tade enti seploy na nke kan e we do osimo nyina no boza nyina na ekọ na efe no ntokuro abeda osimo no na ekọ kakare one to kwanta na wapa ekora no say sa de eba in various packages ba kwen 175 big gram and ebusuan chamfa and omo 120 gram ya jakwa pack no 65 and 12 gram no sachet a obetni a share bag mu o purse mu maybe a okobia was say memfa toothpaste bi ontwo se na mo toothpaste a free Forson ebo wo se ho ban wo se aya hwehwe no pa na twi na nyumbere ansa na wakoda na wo pese woni won a ebo se ho ban na hesen kasa de a ene de obeya ne se fre 0800 161 000 0800 161 000 ya no nko bia na wo pese won so wo fre na utu ekoton o se fre 0800 2000 30 0800 2000 30 Pepsodent, every smile matters. For na me come Mike 1 and na me name Priscilla ye be kan about digital addiction in children. Ka hunu se nra na ye ka se owura efie mo in community a ne bi o ha ya etia mofra na emboa on adwumotew na de mfe no adwenem tenkatew no emboa na enano me zero in on digital addiction in children. And then we are saying, "Obi a say me ba no me pese me cut off phone mano ana me ba ni so a no the phone mano ana me ba ni so a na wa so television e dey sinanim enti woni enkura no enkasa na ne ye be he nyame ya no ye a ye beto aso on Friday ana e bi ya ochina any Friday na ya kire ho enema bi a wo ya it can destroy your child." Said Madia wing and baby, Sompa Rhapsody, a happen abeno, yano ye share obramu, naya den die obra, nea man nipa ehun say, obra ye bunas niesni, ye buni taught ni. My free me, my sound fire, the brain in digital addiction, emotion in digital addiction, you back us to buy in digital addiction parent. Any prevention of failure here ACC our Ghana and to weno a serious issue papa. I say digital addiction in children refers to compulsive problematic use of smartphones, social media, video games or online content that causes loss of control. I say withdrawal like distress when offline and significant harm to school, family, sleep, and emotional development. I say it is increasingly recognized. Internet gaming disorder appears in the DSM-5 and gaming disorder is now in ICD-11. What's this digital addiction? I want my friend and my friend. One person will use so abe from fidie not just a wajia na ne ho yira no efe ekwan of us use no kura no it is a problem what is social media won didi won na eyo se obana da nso no te ho oba ya na wade ahya ne pilu ase na wada na wa yo sete wa denje was this video games what one osuan de online content ahodo akora no te ho na wa lose control won suan de na fe ono nko na hye ho oni obi nkasa kaka na kwhye ne dem okura phone no was it epra o anti personal osebonsu why clinical psychologist why a PhD student in aging studies, the first to be trained in Ghana. Priscilla, the pioneers create pioneers. Any of digital addiction. No one my some statistics ne said you see who we are say ne near man in expressions you know about boy maybe say what tune to her what take tune to her a 106.5 FM and nam Sompa FM so neba way a special programmer at about 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock BFNO Sompa Rhapsody hosted by Reverend Professor Joseph Osafor. Mamin come Mike 1 na mene Prisla ending come on Prisla memoache
me also
and rana ye can about optimizing mental health ye can embofra ye can me makakra and ye can ba and nano ade bi wo ha high ye ma na mpese ye can wasem and no ne gadgets phones television social media computers and then the account games. I am ma atia tomwa we ya fear any Prisla cheche
me my telephone na chi
ojo so peja ne kakra
ena anopai die conversation no me dey because mpenyifo kra addiction no okay yeah, start if in Kolana answer. I'm sure say a baby for another time. And I can I bet and I will define it compulsive no can say I say or shabby no just say too much. Adian can maybe ube take you time I know. It's like she said oh yeah one ya cry now who are they enter into TV. Phones, Mrs. Uncle no money phones no cry chain. Or brought you a phone, no or chill baby or baby. No your camera. 2 days ago, or find a phone or your camera or catching in your kitchen and say, sit down, let me do video for you.
Hey!
Now maybe what 2 years where I just said
I cried 2 years no.
Only
video.
Make I send a me a babysitter my family be.
Okay.
Nana my break cause na my name be brain. Many akolano mama saw yeah me share maybe Christian yi cartoons be a good na. Ti say minute on na me ma dozy off. And I don't even know how many hours I may call and I say maybe minutes. Me sorry ya kola na nani rough phone yimu.
Hey.
Me am shame. Na me say no. Sada na me who say any say nanu cry ba just me kofa pegs be so many cry. Me make sure but I saw the seriousness of how engrossed say na why sha just say madanu kwan hanu it me catch me who say move say Christian content and be man no na di koto be
bia kaden wo hwe
den no hwe. So it's a very serious issue that we are discussing today. More than 4 hours of screen time. If you much say a link to anxiety.
Hey.
I am share worry. And also a link to depression.
I see.
Send what think I'm going to be from. And ADHD. And I find attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder. Because any man no music and free videos ni mo no. Any games no. Mati says baby the Roblox so say Roblox. Say and conduct issues. Games ni bi wo ha. Some of these Japanese to kwani way no. Into your more competition. Maybe a person beat you na down for online or not so online. And I may boy make sure
so they become very competitive.
Into and no the problems baby papa you be ni na. And I USCC no Israel say first time I collabenya age no around 8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years na akuranya.
Phone and answer tablets and answer all these iPads near the. Na yen so no by now yen nenam. Who ya ye
Mama can say me na ode Nasre. My first computer.
Okay.
Aminya na me masters.
Hey.
Na tete computer desktop na. Oswa. It's articulator. A release gas na at your break. Na many G no just say computer no kwedi no. Menim say na asay kura. Ba many G. That was maybe we masters. And a second hand bio. Na oyana ni na abotinu pop. They said na etikopo television. Najina. That was there.
So with me imagine say you okay, right? Me send a follow down.
This was 26 years ago.
Yes. Now you masters me nya phone na me wo JSS, I think some be JSS.
Okay.
And I mean ya phone na nye smartphone there, but na me wo phone.
Okay.
And so me share wo time we say gradually no eba from sa.
Eba from.
And it is say do 8 to 10 years.
Hey.
Kanu. Obani su why you busy nti. Oh, so we any manu Coco Melon, Miss Rachel. Different times so ba Coco Melon kola no omu Miss Rachel ko TikTok na nko for show mo videos a omu ma maybe no so who Miss Rachel na you know my statistics
no heading
obey din throughout but yeah time no ye could dia grow baba hu ya ye fi no so kwa so baba fi ko so ma me bo ebe po no ya kwoti abrofo katie na ye ne na mikrofon mangos ni ade na ye di emanu ye bebe ye ayi ye bebo ampe na ye no aduane ni ye bon kro ni ye nema basisi ano mema no so ba kupo football basisi ano entisa video games online all kinds of and a series a horror television no motiso and very 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 serious issues now bibi friend the international classification of diseases no mo share edichese we say no sisi ano currently o metimi recognize say internet gaming disorder no yare say diagnose well bibi a friend diagnostic statistical manual or psychologist and I dey share say so be your mental disorder na so when your mental illness and near my be hwe hu say when a chese when ya yare say sisi internet gaming disorder and also so abe yare na yare say nya sa gaming ni me affect adwene no
right
because we do ni pedua na eye ade ni te be affect
right
enti adwene mu your areas bia sa gaming we no affect but say na what we explaining is the last time about prefrontal cortex, stress hormone, cortisol.
Okay.
Maybe men can't ma etiefo say bibia we piano. There's a part of your brain affected.
Adebia o ye bia no. Adwene baby e ka no.
And I say there's a part of your brain that is responsible.
Okay, and also
and a trap who say now be say yeah prefrontal cortex yeah yes and a train say na be you see ahihye niema judgment planning and gaming so no your baby wo adwuma e be affected.
Okay,
e be ni hippocampus akosu ani hu agro.
Okay,
honor your memory so we store information because gaming in a kwa dream and affect in kolana na because osisu sana and na okano obekone dem why no to say the word dance
okay
yeni na ye bi
okay
ma me ba no why you to say the word da bi a chese and na ona no e bi mada and hona utimi store information oda ade a wasua no that time no na encode anyway a store wo adwin
wow
but because enkola ne nanti no ade a wasua wo school no kra no onkai obesori no e free na adwin hippocampus no affected anterior cingulate also so prefrontal cortex ho eno so ka say na impulse control say na who say okay ade menya butrians am react but because it's constant exposure constant like say na menya
say
mami beating no
game no
last time no maybe another competition maybe unya 8,000 points is how now to so last time I'm boy obi nya 8,500 she what I would you want to say the base breaking
record no
when you obi kura record sometimes one kasa will break record me can ebo game bi me we fini din kakra me kaya meka uba na no a show so one kasa record no wa break
Miss Macabaka visa
and see we so break another record
okay
aha no dopamine flooding.
Right.
Bibi a friend neurotransmitters and no a reward and ma when you just so says na we hear bibi na obi bo abaso feeling na on so my yard dear boy. Sad dopamine flooding a baby brain.
Okay. Send a sheer good
into debia into a ma no debia ushishe likes. Na TikTok comedy 200 penamina you.
Okay.
Into CC content a who any go cross over na nkola yi because a person obi ehun so matare yefe me share trend bi wo US a omo prom yi omo wie high school a omo prom eyi omo
dressing
na me say emuntari ahoro and these are 17 16 years 18-year-olds omo ye competition. And I will use internet and so be a friend of reward down regulation. Cafes and yema and mawani geno. Sisi adina Bruce Untino, and yema kwa or brabum real life and mawani geno when inji. When inji because a size when pet aqua certain level be unya bibina ye to shoe be mao and I say your party at the back coffee why ideas you. Na minya rewards papa wo online what people which no me dey na me penny mu kra me ko temu some other time bi amode bre me so you've won 2,500 coupon
no say yes way
menya je
yeah
dada it is an ma we ni na and a be prefrontal regions here impulse control at that young age any teenage years egusu mature
right
egusu nyini but because of constant exposure heavy use of social media heavy use of internet gaming emma adwene no kwan emma hono enyini se ne wo se enyini
okay
into be sha akola bi uyi phone free ne chen esun and I will call last time say you should match say so we uji phone free teenagers are more UK
maybe quite depressed
depression in the next few hours nearly. It's a very serious issue. Baby, I was saying, come to me da a physical activity. No more corner mobile money for interaction. Build your more impulse control.
Right.
Because they are stuck on the internet.
Right.
Maturity, disrupted sleep. Makam wasem. Untimi na o memory no entimi the end store information bit me kaya there. And no na inattention any hyperactivity no so eba. Mood echo form because one night you are sorry no my basa and a self-regulation so I didn't make a kakra na me jai na makusua de nini na nti for parents be brave complaining say me ba no onye no onya de onye de also otimi ye nini na ye issues face ye ma ye children are teenagers who are heavily using social media internet enti say ye kan wo Sompa FM and say ye ma nkofati say internet usage e was say ye regulator na e man who say enye say how I drink keke they have real implications on the brain obana dwin or di beni who person obana be doctor be lawyer but on me concentrate 30 minutes kwa on this one better in with me be sa lawyer emotional impact say games your more boy competition internet use on saying it to me impact on I think
right their emotions
the first one your anxiety
I am shishie
and I make say you better one assembly
okay
you fe bibi fear of missing out FOMO and what teenagers mupa
right
na impenyu for kwa esimichu na ko bia
obia ni machi ti afre dia I say me obia ma me like
madam for the too wa onya 2000 likes so mini pa 5 and like me
ari o
into obia person your content creator bibi my friend get ready with me GRWM social media. Well, sorry, get ready with me as I prepare for the day.
Hey,
not from so kojare shana tare
ye chasa
obecho nini na baby a oko ejuma oye ade onya gift I get unboxing my gift.
Now, so do they know the security implications of this thing?
I know the question for the God. Na inti obi unboxing a gift and onya any Val's Day beshe when your phone on your iPad nini na a bouquet of money and to show when na misumi a teenager misumi who ye fe misumi wo university I don't think na misumi boyfriend any say be
on Toby mama
I don't think me it is social comparison and a constant notification into phone enya ahoto udebia wo hwe into menya sen into bia like me video into content and because of the monetary aspect sikasema e kan ho say maybe YouTube no grow TikTok no grow influencers influencer ya basu
influencers when
it's anxiety
obi kura ma maybe I want to say I don't know influencer ba Ghana bio say influencers no ati as influencer and I influencer so say cause I must influencer baby
na ya ko depression so o shes anema when na low self esteem
just say ombu ne
ho mama especially toning cream see
okay
uhwe ne skin a edaso uhwe wani ma pimples e ko wiase ba eni na e wo wani ubi say and asisi e dia bai body shape nkofo ye omutu eni ade
omokopi ese mo piapia
fat no ko sheho na Coca-Cola body shape ntu bi say na me dem call ya na say me bai our children are experiencing those things and that young age no e no mu sua wiase they are learning about the world it is a akola no at that age sua sanema way every internet so shaping our dream to appreciate life in a balanced way.
Okay.
Into depression or dream so media may come or bullying who are bonfire and they are constantly feeling low. Another thing is also your irritability and rage, violence.
Hey,
phone na share collect.
No, I turn home.
No,
1 and 9.
No, a Jan Wensi form. No be able to say, hey. Na then ya obano obi ko me say obano wo ye ni bibi
me madam I'm vaga be kan I say soldier begin let me see abu afano next time ka we say
uko ba o nya sa ade ni bi and withdrawal like symptoms obesu na fama me no su on the d enyema bebre nti na mothers ne fathers o ma ye worry sometimes we woni pem to be so jaisu sa emotions when na eno na ekika kwa na oni ebe ye conduct problems because when you your pen antisocial behaviors no ye enemy emotional numbness say sisi akra atinka no on shede just when ya excitement be a bro so
okay
enti niema nka maybe o akola what when be what we see dear on in enough for dear grow omo ye puzzle be and omo ye games be na omo ni nani aje omo interacting no so join no any hope you loneliness who likes bebre who followers bebre is you feel alone because only wa fefo interacting because body no ya shishe say ye be ye alone na de bia ye hwe screen so sa na ye mpanyifo kwa maybe we hwe movie kakra e go so abre na be say o ye bibi fufuro na say na so mercy way and na me ma way no matter how good social media is internet the ye nema bebre but it cannot replace face to face a human interaction
right
and akolani here because one of the things that you should match say peer support, peer relations, and what and colana dream to grow their emotions, how to connect with others. And it's on your side now, or be lonely. and a body image distress, maker depression, maker hokakra, filters ahuro, Snapchat filters, and then we are kokokra, or your tuntuma, chinchinachi, or beso yako.
Hey, somebody
body and a way so I can see do weight loss, more huro, my maker hokakra. And near man Crawford Tom was social media on no mat 2 weeks with Fubaya flat. Now Crawford no man near my go body more. It's affecting our children, their ability to study, their ability to develop their brains, and a serious issues. Now more actions this way. Emotions no are affecting my thinker. Saying a play out. Saying so be a share social media now sell internet gaming internet disorders then attention problems.
Hey, any day.
Want to me concentrating.
Wow.
Our class and not dream or train say a bepon. Na wakope wakofa ne phone no abogi. You make kaipa you school so time na computers aba. You call computer lab. Adia yesuan.
Obi na dream ni hokra.
Enye no na yesuan nti back benches na nkofa ko hye no ma download the game those days diskettes ni zania ma
no de aguso.
Room de ne ma aguso na omo bo. Nti ye ka say computer time and there nipa oda o class grandpa ya alert e o computer class. Because I grow into ADHD, and because at the way US statistics actually say 8 to 10 years, a man colano to me focus hyperactivity.
Not doing number B.
In a senior high school teachers be complaining about phones. I didn't know they go. Wako school sometimes social media the more you post in your and our audience will grow. Into a colana school no or cause now 3 months. Remember no na me followers ne swati. Into a sneaky phone na ko sheho. Into whole school in our wasi. But the person is not concentrating. Behaviors, sleep deprivation. Into a sheho or that 2 hours, 3 hours. Oko school better sa. Into the mood no echo from because wabre who me cry school decline, falling grades.
Onya die. Wo bon.
Akola no first no ya die pa usha. Kwame, adinti na sisi ano. Ka we ya die wo mass pa.
Abi Kwame for yes.
Oh sir. Okay.
Mama kwekufo.
Eh. Omuni na be ko. Okay, nti me ka me say okay, ye be ma kwekufo. Ene kwekufo na ekuafo, ombenya mene. Omunyo omu homework. They be no aye late. Nini na aya science chese obano bibi koso e wo so hwani ye social withdrawal yemuni na mako baby inka fence ko nini nuanom ne cousins ni ni ofanu ni sisters ka ye kwa oye na ye diago ye na esua de onu nkwa ye duwa no akohye de onu nkwa no onu kwa ti phone so social withdrawal sports on ye bi Debia no odidi kura na phone kura no one so a year man me call saloon bi just say ye de tablets ne si akola nani anso aye din ma ya ye niti na ma enye sa esu a wo su no untimi nye niti na ma aggression so violent game and content exposure plus sleep loss no aggression no ma omuno mo start here no ma be bullies no because bibia they want it their way the teacher beka no a snobby teacher no for us and film so called all of these things say and a risky online behavior the parents muntie me ye pa parents guardians agniema akola na show ho no na fe de onu no bullying ko for omo didi ko fatem no
yes e bi kura to me catch na dan for me say on try on who make no try
yes me ba ho na cyber bullying no ma create account who say no or na real account no create account for now commenting no or the hate speech near the comments our video I say look at your head, you cry, you are not good. Maybe only work class information be only about you. No, they are better about things. See, because of exposure to content, you know, exposure to all kinds of things, sexual content. And they start in a pornographic, you know, content. You know, now they are addicted. Yes, because now you know, and yet ready and yet developed to, you know, take some of this information just yet. Someone who said Adiwe is not good for me, all kinds of problems. Game spending, so yeah, another thing. Some of the games are free, you're free. No, we have Sika. Over here, now 100 CDs a year. Over here, now 200 a year. Or 50 CDs a year. Or better, no mobile money pin. No transfer Sika, or we are no deleting message, no. Who says, me send these Sikas where then a Sika ye call. No, the 2 online games, send your bear. You know, or Bebo games into risky online behavior, since a serious issues are into day now for we a mother, father.
President, so mommy or home na sa dia President boss we a parent and they say what do we need is see and near me so na if they say hana me boss kakra me say me boss kakra extremely important. What Train said here, Sandy is shaping the brain of a child. The brain of a child, a corner journey, no a kurana angel. Now, my catcher will say, the younger the brain, the deeper the imprinting. Say, I didn't swear. Now, Opesa was saying one. Obet me a saying them. It's a growing, developing brain. Eti parent, montia di diasemai. And I'll be our caregiver. Maybe say when you boss. Apps and hodua momano use no. Wamono na moswa Roblox and the account na mo. Sa games and hodua and kurano. Eyana omani jia omudi echino. They are engineered to be addictive. Yashada ashishene say sa games no emma wobano adwene enkodi echi. Algorithm na omodi ye no. Dansanya me say is in the US will be and I think either Facebook or back at the code. Say no sir. And ofia say wo use. Now, the way I almost see a algorithm, there's in Shishaya, Emma various programs and games no obono. Ya design is a mawajino, a dada wajino media chia could say, Obertum tinten tone, any addiction. So they are specially designed, Emma rewards. And Obama say, oh, you know, now and the similar content, content I excited that neighbor. More TikTok come home. So okofa one spacer and now one video and now one picture and now whatever. Over who say the similar content, bro. That's the algorithm. Yes, you say Emma Obana Jene and you're addictive. And the engineer be okay autoplay. 1 to 1 rank say about a box streaks and one rewards. Now ama o child Obana feel say why are they? I'm doing well because a man reward, so he doesn't feel weak. Number 2, I say what I say. Your child's brain is uniquely vulnerable. The younger the brain, the deeper the imprinting. Eti adrenusa, efena adreno engine. Na some braking system aye prefrontal. Say akranu guswanu wa yana lose control. Me catch it a week ago about the amygdala hijack. It will lose control by no animal. So, prefrontal brain and mature by the mid-20s. Middle 20s, ne benyini na kwana dwene hu se where the woman. But on your younger, They said here, na person accept from 8 to 10 or US no. Or when they say 8 years no or iPad, no phone. It is obviously introduce your crown to it earlier. Can who say you are destroying your own child? And it's ageno nyini and no mid-20s ageno and it hasn't grown yet. So when you are introduce them, they are destroying the brains of your child. I never also say and it's a warning signs no. I can't dear throw about the use. Oh, mommy, me use here, not or hiding the screen no. We are not the asset or the ashes me answer. Open one is also, oh, no matter. What they also want that. Shenanini boko. Won't say a move your wow and I. Would think a crabons also. What that down? And ask what the people are cutting on. Maybe you have no idea. Any signs on that one. What would you try to almost? I get mommy, no match. When I'm crying trick is I am trick is and so on. And I'm for TV and for show about them. Don't fix television in the room of your child. Don't do it. In fact, a Hemocrat has been just said, wait until your child is about to go to secondary school. And sana over introduce no to a phone be out there man. Say a phone me a beer or no quite a woofy some of the times I'm not there. I say a phone and your smartphone. Maybe I'll bet to me earlier receive a call. But more than who say a more family needs structure. And Emma Obin can't just say Obama alone. Now, and I'm a ya, and no kind of you go and get books. A year, and my last one were JHS. And now I was not on board, and say, I know what to do. May no come a call ya, me cofano, may no call library, may walk bookshop or campus, may cost your books a gunuso, na mama na time, one kind in no mammy, feedback, dear woman. And your phone, ya de mano, or bury a JHS, ya, walk out to phone your mano. Wrong. As I say, we cost your books, mano. Now, I discuss issues or can kind of the womb. What are the lessons or making note amount? And very important. Now, for me, sermon, 100 years, papa. Now, it can be about aggression. Now, for you and Twasso, 10 years, pa. And how much say? A crown of fear say, oh, channel, sir, games now you're competitive now. Oh, yeah, now, oh, shoot, hey, I've killed 4, I've killed 5. Man, who study be a reviewer, or just say. And Kramer General, a better option, more aggressive content, Sano. Na a number naturally. A young say, the old Kuno. The good officer, a bit now in the pa. I know I have toys no Kuno. And now, I killing. Now, a ye now, whom no every space, the human conscience. It is all the idea, Bobia. A yen say, I didn't know share. Our game no, our TV no son, our phone no son, a yenipa. Was say wa brabo, was say wa.
Now so called up on is empty my me when you're there. We made the quite so my yet kind be the tree. My phone in a jamming. Timamu from a display in your grow. Mamu from a display in your grow.
Entity anyone and be a family coming to me who you man name at Twasso. No screens before age 2. So man ended 2 years no screen. 2 years a kurame me the bama say even 2 years no regulated hard. If you say less than 1 hour a day for 2 to 5 years, and Abama more enya baby obey me asua I was screen so. They say be a language. They say be a play. Enya less than 1 hour a day. Was it no phones in bedrooms, no television in bedrooms, and no phones at meals? What did you? Yeah, phone out there, you phone all didn't know could phone and no see a dear. or say. And sana obano bedano. Now I doom television 1 hour before sleep. If you say I'm cramming na, one not. Turn the television off. Set parental rules on it. Doing what them ho. Control it. Or so hey BBN so. I was for. I bet to us. Me try me who Fred me ba. I bet to us.
Are you giving God the glory?
Hallelujah! Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah! We all know that the problem is not a spiritual problem. The problem is a dental problem. She was saying, use Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste to remove yellow.
Somebody shout amen.
Craft your smile with Pepsodent charcoal. It removes stains and whitens teeth. This advert is FDA approved.
Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokuno noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No mo to dokuno wa monten so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wa wo ho a. Wo die free. Na ye customize the mount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye serve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025-6068-832. Now, young customize your orders in the mount, never serve what was said, was a pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and ye hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwabo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And masom First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
I would I chairman and yaji. Now, so me penny they are famous. Ye near Mrancasu. Now, so I hear my yinti.
Yaba! Sompa!
Aquada who dachiana and yaji.
Dear, what go no and no one will just Sompa!
Mentam Cassiana may bossy. Memranti bremu mentia futu. And I mean you. Rantan in my bow, would see me. I'll come myself without. I'll come myself pay. So who you mouth for me copy. Now so called up on the 70 my name was your dear. We made the wine so my yeti kind bed yet. My phone in a jamming. Timamu for my display in your grow. Mamu for my display in your grow. Cry. I'm revetting us.
Oman for me, Mama, Ache, any Akwaba, Ediba, Sompa Rhapsody, special program beer. Me Mosomfo Joseph Osafor do made a Hochiame and Nam Sompa FM 106.5. I say Emma Akatiapa, Sa Sompa Rhapsody program ye, dear, a boa, then now watching Calbremun Sam, na Emma Wabraboko ye, our phone Mochafa, and Korenya Mochafa. Obrei ebuni ya ebesi Anapay President Eboy ache about digital health ye manua phones ahodo prepare omo na say omo no ye kire said ye be ya ye beboa ye mano na one be addicted to various digital devices. Janchemia the phone lines now answer no President Ebeboy, what should parents avoid? Nefe watch and so about the effect of building digital resilience. Na say ya phones wa then you bet me idea boy and man builders are resiliency. Do not overindulge your children because you can destroy them. And the president, what should parents know and avoid?
Okay. Enti nkoma yedi na no pay. The first thing is say avoid the phone as we need to say pacifier. Right. Say wo the phone man say wo sunti me the phone man. Now and wo su faman we. Oh. Faman no ye dede. Maybe you are sorry. And as a program be as. But me kai kai so no. Che say eni bia ye de be show. Me man wo je say wo. Eni ma sisan wo. Me man obia ni wa onya phone. Yes, oru secondary school. She said, "Oh, yet come." And I said, "Me say, me mama ni bi od be show." O bi akwa gancho say sad na wo ye. My phone no kasa. No undone any aka no. 2 years before 2 years or even no phone, no pacifier. Engage the child. Engage in a way. Okay. And cause it's just YouTube. All right. It's not just YouTube. Oh, it's just way. See, cartoons here by cry. You see, near my baby on the film. I'm on the sex of family. Sex in the LGBTQ only one plus. So it's not just YouTube. And I make us a look at a situation now. Be deja colane ho. And the woman of shit. And you could send me a set your man and make or we name the share. Maybe because you baby who's a sorry and so I would not know that the BBC air coso. No bedroom screens. Parents, please. No bed and fat TV be and to them. Even if you're a teenager, and fat TV be and question them. Uberry TV a braho. Hey, Yenny na yeti ho. Near her. Yeah, she. No be who content on a battle. Nay, she. And it's that time called family time. I movie got a build family bond more. Also, banana on casa. Only not na TV baby. They be our baby. This is see your host mommy. Yeah, that family time, bonding time. And you're very good. She said maybe holiday be, maybe money na my fear dear, ya diane, ya wufu kaka for them a penty. Ya wufu kaka Enti ye na ye ti fie ye ria everybody come daddy I can't everybody come bring wine bring drink ye daddy say everybody should come near piati ho ye na ye hwe movie ye na ye hu content a ye hwe ne hu say if ye say no some movie say bi ne ye hwe say na ye there's a whole set culture be yes a culture for the family into be over say okọ baby and say hey me say me fie ye ndi chicken skin Enti mi pie na me say nkofo di me hu bia na me wawa enti eno no hu say there's a culture bia ye there atititi no bedroom screens. Okay. Model addiction model addiction na akola ni be hu say mami kwa me ni di nkomo si say mama no mo ye TikTok right
one na kasa on the phone so
no share TikTok videos mami what did o se den no share no share into
nkomo no kra no
into no so say mami share dia hu mama me so me heavy according to business I say mami you are always on your phone and call out so if you model the addiction the children will follow
that is a one akra no be din koma take a brief break na ma akra no one no nya san komodie no is that what you are saying
oh yes
say akra ba won chen akra no pese one unya enkomo oba no na wa fa phone ente one na kasa na ahwe kakra na oguso ne wokasa
sa akra kasa na wotia no
ha sa de na wo ye no o model bribi dia ma no kasa o model a just say utwa esabi dia to ho dia ma no say ade no one obi di nkoma ehwenanim o de ha phone so na ne nkasa ente please I say sa ade no a eya na ofo bi ne ba no di nkoma a ebi ya mo di your table na okra ne phone ebi ya akoni akane bon nkoma no okra ne phone ebi ya omo hwe bibi no okra ne phone ente don't model it na nya sa ade no oba say o model a fa phone no to ho na woni akra no enya nkita hodie wono ne ni nkomo hwe na nim na hwe wanim na mon kasa is that what you are telling us
and no ana all
right
because children copy what they see
okay
auntie who says sometimes we are there now back and say hey mommy the last time you did this 2 days ago I got 2-year-old child me the tissue fan and him kakra and I made chene say oh my mother does this in the washroom 2 years
well who say Eddie
ne ma made the tissue I'm sure say ne ma me any makeup away
who
and they copy nti akola ne ba on chen ya mommy I want to talk to you mommy did you see this put the phone down yes
no na kasa no
yeah no phones unless maybe when your agent call
okay
and too early say me say sa phone na minya o JSS kwa no sa phone na eno no social media dia yi 3310 ni bi no eno kwa na me de ye call pe me nya smartphone it with me as a rule of thumb no after secondary school you know some level of maturity kakra no na odi ayere phone na man
okay
and the parents yes oko school yes your mum fast tablet ade but don't give your child a phone before secondary school
all right
and a punishing without teaching I has
and your bokman ba
o je phone na
o man fa nche be phone
ti se we no one no keno fa phone mama on ka hwe nche akola no o je phone na no ka say ya ajwa Michelle me je phone if you say
when
senior yetimitina without it na ye other things me ma instructions are wie ne wo ye no twitwin kuko ni mu wie pra asaso ho wie ye aduane ni wie boawo unu aketo no munyo mu homework wie uwie a no ahwe o movie uwie no abo game 1 hour mama rules 1 hour you play with your PS5 bibi abaye bia uwie a no wada no esuade building digital resilience
okay
senior besia ye ma ade no internet we no emro ye so na yetimi a share ho so na ye control use no enye no na control ye
okay
any edika can delay smartphone ownership and who the tablet in suade uwie after your classes after Zoom dinner you no bring the phone back to the bedroom phone come out mama so na obia will be yes obia will be by yenye ebusia we yenye obia this is how we do our things and to delay smartphone ownership and a co-creating and a family media plan and I can no TV if you are between the ages of 8 or below 5 and the TV crowd there by 8 what 8 to 15 share till 8:39 wada 18 to 8, your rules of feel.
Okay.
Beyond 10 o'clock, beyond 11 o'clock, we are not doing this. If we are eating, it's time for the family to eat. If it's way, way, who create a media plan? No be who say me level me. If you have your phone before secondary school, till one say, not when who say now by replace, but don't restrict. Engage Obano. Se sport be a unim table tennis ball. And I'm about football kakra will feel her. Maybe why a basketball and a BB music time. And any of the new machine, yes, reading. Now, parent, mother, father, what to her? Me, my mama, this week, who read it 3 chapters. After Friday, we will sit down and discuss Nemosiano. And to replace, don't just take the phone away from them. Replace it with Bibina and Colano. And time to engage.
So, Mamma, now in phone lines, I am Rabbi and Twasso. I'm for my MBA phone lines on 0260 1960 64. 0260 1960 64. 0260 1960 65. 0260 1960 65. Marco Abaline, line 1. Hello.
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 Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Professor. Good morning, everybody.
Boko Bajo, one and I can say.
But then you're only going to do the one. They're not everyone.
Daniel, a quick idiot.
Yes,
good. Daniel,
when I go home to all the things in the Daddy, I'm proud.
A quick
I do have my young colony as daddy. I'm again yesterday, man, and I say, more phone on the custom. And if the Aban Oma Colony, and then sound, I think the Colabina phone, a little more can. The commission got the SS Grand fine. Then I could have class to near the public focus, Yaman, over sometimes the average body and maybe. And so, Mancolano, I said, the enemy. The member, many at when I'm at the point of the credit uniform. I said, any on this car, editor credit at the minimum, not that they come. So, what of the guy, about the way, one thing, Ubana, and I got the man. And one of the first kind of story. Right. But that's a oh, and so, Yamisha, maybe me or Baba, for 8 years. I'm not a phone man. No, that's a man. Can I make a young man? I just want to know. And I don't know how to do it. Right. And some of them will say that we have to know. But we are on time already. And yet, they are okay. You also put your car away. I mean, some more money coming that because they had to be quite able. Oh, I am about to cut at this moment. Yes, my no more. I mean, some of our with Papa Moy.
Why are dear Papa? Good. We'll be about line 2. So, hello. Hello, Auntie.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're Forson now, Free.
But you're serving up to the Catapicas.
Okay, Yankasa.
And about Munka and Tato is Janison.
Yeah, the catch and do.
You say, Mamma shall come to your country. You may be moving like any of you say, get your phone, the Mayan bound. Mimi say, Mimi Bassy, do a hole to me back. Ma. Mammy homework. As a man said, where I show over for the Macola.
Oh, sir, yes, you're fine yet. I can't say.
No one know about say a man homework there. I'm always sketchy.
Auntie Jet, on entrance, no homework, and yes, I'm
first because another money for cafe. But a cafe now could delay. And I'm the poor school one. I mean, you go catch it today. They are best to say. Nimpe phone man oba na say your homework or the research here. No they are researching. You Mr. Danu be say oba say man homework. Because so data go na me phone ma ko le son ko researching homework. Ni ko ejuma me ba ya rum baba. Film ni videos I watch you go me phone ni.
I see.
Me videos pa watch you go me phone ni. And now some kids and say, "Oh, why? And then you have to your phone, the mark. I mean, you so phone. About say, my see uncle research, my see uncle research, my phone. I'm a dear man. It would be a must say, dear acting.
Sir, yeah, can say. Phone, no, dear. It doesn't so far. The air can say, Mountain Yipa, a school phone, or Moko school no more bar. Ye momo, assignment. Ebi o hwa also online no quiet. And no ye ho asam ne yeka. The yeka no supervision. Say what a man no he say the say won fan ye no and no what ye. And it's obane ba no teacher say menko ho menko download a. Now the man me ba boy no to me ha no me the man no aye until some nya we to bibi man no aye also. We ya no the abeto. And you know, supervision here. Everybody be ana obon say when in the echi na or the year near one pen watch it. And non there and fan come here crano. Say waba teacher say on your assignment also you one pen say yaka say or ya why you are not addicted. Yes, the answer here come. Ubi aba like one so. Hello.
Daddy, Reverend, good morning.
Good morning, Nampum. Meton Kakasa. Your first. Just one day. Hey, just one day. Just one day, Yankasa. And then about all the school.
My papa will go to boy. And then to see a farm, only to see it. As I will for, then a day I see a mother to me, and a baby part, and okay, so what can you about that can be to restrict the overclassic phone, the not an ability to share a line. In fact, last 2 weeks, it didn't know we have a result solo. Last 2 weeks,
oh, just one day, we'll line I say, sign for you.
Hello.
Hello. Kasa.
Just one day.
Jinayi, now line I just Kasa.
But before no she form,
wait, yeah, San Fabio, and Tom Kakra. Just one day, wait, yeah, sorry. Another line and quay. I think more than a man, Jan and see, Bonnie, is say. And Cranoa or Moba was it Ubiaba answer? Okay, in fact. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Rajo, we didn't be the offer.
Name is Nana. Na program young the by me there. How far on I say no more. Because maybe that to Colombo, the Marco Secretary, Omuya let them make Papa Stroma with the moon. And I told me your message to Kenya or a two flavor of a sap or better. Colano, what means always school. Look at that, it's not came where anyone is not came. No way, so much is more after your mother. So, school was for that and why no 1 to 3 weeks, 1 month. Only so soon. It is, they say, our phone no more money, I say, or make said your mayor. Tobacco still know and we are there. No one could yes, guys, on this disease. And then, obey a doctor, and that's obey a year. Now we need to find any of the one left and I do what, not their own. No. The moment has started. Yeah. Happy for some is no more mental, my penny, Mr.
Hey,
road then kind of phone, bro. And the contract and all the contract, man, not all here.
Where are different programs? Why? That's why. I'm from friend 0260196064 0260196065. Press now boy on building digital.
I come here no be pay enti Chewmanu se nyombesi ate abe fontentan so ombeti say but we can say digital literacy so be avoiding scam and na make am temu experience omudi 2500 coupon be say be na me see ye say na wo be so to bibi 100 1
this is mama na obiaba so
hello
yes sir.
That is just one day.
Kasa afedi emoda
that is Yakubu Chirao. Last week now tell about in winter so it's Maria Tasu Manyakupo 85 was in real line on you.
Amen.
And that is Minister Oda Mamuya no pay. Free to attend him on the degree. And about what channel of yourself repeat. Both in Colano, Uno, very places the before the addition and uncle a very good just last week time I was in Vita Sono. Okay. Me bear call and my phone, smartphone is free me some shape from the fire. It is a piano yam I'm using for 2 weeks. Now in Colano to me from my phone a year away. But for 2 weeks yeah came way. I saw life in ya cancel guys say I saw movie yeah you la one life.
Just a phone now say.
Hey. It's the one more because I almost happy. The boy, me decided say, "Get a on to me can't decline me." So feel going to me tonight you are no about me ho. And I'm on that phone now. I wait in that way. I know say I now yam na me kitan dia I am me boom almost school no ma me face here na almost school for the yam phone na me kitan. My replaces my replaces and my retreating so in such a way say make sure my life story. If your mama day be Sunday you may say you know that make sure about life. Life, how they will build themselves together.
Just one day when you are the power.
But amen.
Oh,
it may produce someone life together. Say dia, momu say dia. Who papa ne life say no on fan ne be munda. Papa ne me be muni we no move bitami question. If you no na replace it to say na priest like can and na retreat. I say kola na na no say am sorry e gba even me too call the na wait me too. God me to mo bomu suande. Me mama mo dey side. Mo dey shit even. A weekend Saturday and on the shit even. And they are the ombe to me is share at it. It is hard enough and me no for 2 weeks when 2 weeks now me phone say no. Boame Pam and Colam me say after no moon say be even Mama replace it with something better. Omu koto omu komweni. It's an opinion me show daddy.
Wow.
Oh,
just one day we are here papa it has say Obiaba second line. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, yeah. Na if I say okay, amen.
Hello.
Eto nkapa na yakasa.
Hello.
Nani eto nkapa kasa.
Aha, me pacho. Adi amu chere. And you're very good to me about because they say I won't form you say akolano so you say with the phone shelling some. Meanwhile, certain and akolano not free school so echo be between fresh. One, I say akolana dream. Sir. Me assess akolano a better bachelor. Not be this would be. So, in fact, Yamisha, Manager, the family team ding.
I know what's a link in the pa.
I call sure if the phone I send it. Now, what for now? The balance at the end of the day, enyama wo oye wo phone so and ye awofo bi nso no so akola no ekita phone and kase to wadwe kono se e dey na oye wo phone so okay or booking no if you are booking from man time the minute be say hey every minute you have some phone money what entertaining for some few minutes now on our house okay this is the time I say me away this is the time I say me away but now this is not like that can you sorry to say sit up with woman farm it's okay nobody cares meanwhile as so who say akolano ade a wodi yem no that no me essence obey yemma wa wo so sika was spending on who was school or nya super so because of sign management one so no so in fact mama many jipa me ka akere awofo no say ye call na ya mo free school back say o ya my assignment by we apps be wo they do have a password to I don't want to access war video for password to so only access war we are open so call Google I call download I call I research it was now also that is it right so we are dealing we are for phone check phone let's say no more why you phone okay my na wo check this as a kwaku ade a wahia no ewan ne a wo ko search na ewan because wo ko Google no ko search di dia wo ko search na ewan ana me boa so in fact me da mo so why are you o mo share le super why are you da mo so I mean sharp Presla kalas one na
into show mo sa no me hu say na bullying no e online and pictures obi o twa mo hu no funi ade omonye na bo mo no muntimi na no muntimi na to make sure say ye charge na phone na ye o dem ho tablet no bra be charge wo me dem right un charge wo dem right and say o hwe so na akola no was started to say na just one day cause 2 weeks in a manner ye different cra no say e bro so ekọ baby hu say ya fedia me ba no ntimi focus ntimi nsuan dia ko hu counselor nyam wantem say na be betimi aso anu ntem na uja na e ka fedia wa be ye problematic o okọ baby a obi antimi nje no oye akola boni wo school ni adia eno de be ha adwen nti eno na ne ye ne awofo ni etiefo ni na aka say digital way no e serious pa ba say niema we bi no betimi aya e be boa omo na betimi ahye omo so aboa omo ma no
Presla onyame enhira papa omanfo na chese ohun se sa Sompa Rhapsody program ya de boy ya de boa ofie ya de boa adwene ya de boa oma ya de boa oyire ya de boa ukunu ya de boa ama wa bra bona koyi I say Ghanaian children are deeply online and largely unsupervised. Smartphones, internet cafes, and cheap data have democratized access. And they have outpaced parents' ability to guide it. Local risk includes Sakawa exposure, sextortion, and rising anxiety, depression, and nomophobia among urban youth. Over 90% of Ghanaian children have used the internet. And by the way, internet penetration in Ghana, in Africa, is one of the highest. Over 56% of children get little or no supervision online. Emafra ohanchem wedro konia echrepo enum eyamafra woko abe fontentan so awa Ghana ha internet penetration in Africa and Ghana is one of the highest. Ohanchemo Edwinum Ensia any a chire Emofra will call internet so now or call online no was see obedience supervisor alphobia and hatred. Was it Ohanchemo Bayer Dumia Nunia Chire Ghana for maybe Honwa? Just say what meet criteria for internet addiction. Just I don't know if you're about to move 10 2. Nomophobia is the fear of being without a phone. Was it many phone? The other time Makamu was it Ghana ha and Mofra ebeye 29% or ha enchem wedo nu enkro our Ghana ha there. There is what they call smartphone application based addiction. Sakawa is on the rise, extortion is on the rise, and Mofra Warrior Obemani Obagudia is on the rise. Online romance scams. Or see Yohana Mintiaka, Yohana Mausika, and Mofrano air to Tom. Anti-Ghana Education Service, and that's like Ministry of Education in Ghana. If you say, well, Makwan, Emankra, M5 phones, Enco School. Now, so the enforcement is the problem. Now, for Sompa Rhapsody, if you manage your child, nobody else will mismanage your child. Real digital addiction is a recognized disorder. It damages the brain, it damages the emotions, it damages the behavior of children. A saying gradually, a saying when I think, a saying when Suma is not just a phase, it can damage a child. Namekaya offers a parents the simple single biggest protective factor is consistent, calm parenting. Say ma wo abata yano to aswana ye nefe yobia wo and kraho abotre set the rules. Efe so ye bribina nchira wan say won so media wo ye no set the rules na woni mo eni hon komo nefe sa phone no pebri bim won a obetumi aya enye phone de kura won. That means Ghana for schools and families and cyber security say into one more na mofran one na che hu hia empa. Mental health is health. Early recognition, evidence-based treatment, and supportive environment save lives. Ente moma yentu one more. Naka says Sompa Rhapsody and in Kwapa nebro and as the PSA and a medema presla obeboye. Nameka will say Pepsodent, you need a phone and buy or say Epra. Mamma China Pana China. Onya ebusuya chemfa no be a year onya jakwa park no so a year the obeyanes e wode frɛ wɔn 0800-161-000 number na omone dentist enkasa anasa frɛ wɔn 0800-200-030 na wono enkasa na kotubi ton dokumu king kong just bread and pastries or say dokumu a year just hot kenke what the brew a bro pan ye na clean hygienic preparation back on air 3 cities convenience storage and delivery Mamodiana Frawonge 0256068832 Ofrawonga obe to me akwajibe na odi akọ a year ene baby bia okobia ebusia for say or just bakery our domain behind Ghana Commercial Bank ebusia for me bre ayabe onyame admo china meno ebetwaso meno eka ema mental health na ya church wa kwanya baba so aboa ema